Hi, this is Peugeot 107 2013 model. But however, Peugeot, Citroen C1, Toyota Aygo, you can apply same method. Basically, I'll start the car and I'll show you what's going on. Now, when I apply the indicator, it's not work. When I little bit lift up and hold the indicator, you can see it's work. What I did, little bit lift up and hold the indicator stick, it's work. We'll see front, same thing. When I release the stick, it won't work. This is the problem. This is 90%. This stick won't. I'll ask customer to buy the online part. This is very cheaper. Basically, around 2009, 10, 8 models, it has a only one fog lamp like this. This particular model, 2013-14 model, this one has a front and rear both fog lamp. That's the only different. Other all process same. When you follow this video, you will okay, but when you play with the steering, be careful. Make sure disconnect the battery. I'll switch off and leave it the car 15 minutes to get everything discharged. Then after that, I'll start the job and I'll show you how we're going to do it. It's very easy. If you have a right tools, you are fine. You need a couple of screwdrivers, Phillips one and the flat one, and trim tool, and you need a Torex bits, and also you need a 18 or 19 mil socket. That's it. You can see in here this side tiny hole. This one you need a T30. Other side also same. Once you remove, you can lift up this unit, basically the airbag. You need to do the same thing for the other side. After that, you can lift up this one. Once it's loose, you can lift up from here. Still not loose. Right, it's loose. Now you need a like this pick to remove inside the airbag connectors. You can disconnect from here this white connector. Press, take it out, and this one very fiddly. Do it very gently. If some reason if you break this yellow bit, you ending with big problem, right? After that, slightly lift up this one and wiggle and take out the this connector. Right, it's out. Right, now airbag unit out. After that, I think you need a 19 mil socket, and make sure before remove the steering make it straight. Right, one more thing, sometime this one not come easily, right? What you need to do, just bang 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 bang, then it's gradually come out. If it not, I'm using WD-40 also well here. Slightly WD-40, not much. Right. Okay. Then again It's locked. This is the hard part for this job. Never experience like this problem. I done many indicator sticks, but never ever had this problem. But I had to go now alternative way. Luckily we have all gears. So tight. Right. Oh, still. Yeah, it's out now. Right. Yeah. Without this tool, I can't remove this steering. Right. Yeah. It's out now. Make sure this one leave it centralized. Right. Now we need to remove this Phillips 2 screws. Put it down this one. Take out the top one. This adjuster you need to release. After that it's free play. Right. This one need to come out. Then there is another underneath here screw. You need a Phillips screwdriver here to remove this underneath screw. Remove screw. Now we can slightly take out this one. You need to operate this adjuster little bit, bring it up and take out from the back. Right. I'm going to leave it like that. Then after that I need a flat screwdriver. After that you need to press in this tab slightly and take out this stick. Right. Just take it out, leave it hanging, and also lift up here in the clip and you can bring it down. This one leave it as it is. I'm not going to disconnect here, just leave it as it is. What you need to do, lift up this back side here, tiny clip, and there is a two clip in this here and this side. You can see here clip, put it down. Right. Same side, this side, another clip. Right. Now I'm going to leave it as it is. Then after that what you need to do, just press here and bring down this white clip. Right. Now everything okay. Next step we need to press inside here. You can see here this clip we need to spray in clip here. You need to press this clip. Then after that there is a tiny lock here. You can see here tiny lock behind. We need to lift up. Then after that we can take out the full unit. You need a like this flyer to this job. It's very easy. and same time I'm going to lift up from the back. Right, it's out now. Okay, when you do the flyer here, you can see this side like this and press, and same time you have to lift up from here. There is a hook underneath here. Okay, next step I'm going to compare this one and this one. Yeah, look exactly right for me, pins all good. Yeah, then install new one same way, need to lined up here, but this one little bit problem. You can see that this clip, normally this clip bit hassle because it's stuck there, right? Anyway, nothing to do. What I'm going to do, I'm going to disconnect this one because it's stuck this here. So I disconnect already, then I'm going to install here and press from the here like this. Yeah, then life bit easy. Right, yeah, it's in the place. You can hear the click sounds. Then we need to install this one. Just press in this connector, press in. Right, next step we need to install, but make sure this one won't turn centralize. Right, okay, and press and press. Right, it's in. Now we need to reinstall this cover. Once I reinstall this cover, I'll come back to you. Next step, need to install the steering. Make sure it's straight. Right, that's one done. Now this airbag, again do very gently, install to the correct slot. Once it in, press in this yellow tab. Right, nice and in. After that you need to connect this connector here. Right, after that just lined up in the bottom and right, horn working at least, we know now. Right, right, make sure not coming out, make sure horn working. Now I'm going to start the car. What do you think? Is this success? We'll have a look. I'm going to start the car. Have a look. No any warning light at the dashboard. Have a look. Wow. Wow. Right. Make sure all indicators work. You can see the light work, dip beam work, head beam work, fog lamp work, both fog lamp work. Right, this stick work as should be. Online parts sometime not sure, but however this scenario all work as should be. If you have a Peugeot 107, Citroen C1, Toyota Aygo, indicator stick not working, this is the could be problem. Thank you. See you with the next video.